What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Skylyfe Projects. Hope you all doing good and staying super blessed. Today is actually a Saturday. I've been here since 8 a.m. I'm at, or 8:30 a.m., excuse me. I'm at Ceramic Pro North Phoenix and getting the Type R done once again. It's getting its yearly coat on the body, also the new grill, and you guys saw in the previous video the CMST new splitter. So all that is happening here at Ceramic Pro North Phoenix. Let me take you guys around here again. You've seen our previous videos, but they got some new additions. Like, check out that Ceramic Pro sign right there. Remote controlled, what is that, OLED? Yeah, awesome. And then over here too, they put some new lighting in here. And they're claying it currently right now. They already brought it from outside from the wash. And now they're just applying the clay bar, making sure all the contaminants, dirt, everything is off the paint. So they do wonderful work here. You guys, you can follow them right here. That's their IG. So follow them, come in, make an appointment. You can also message me for more details and I will get you to the right person with Ceramic Pro. Again, this is Ceramic Pro North Phoenix. They do wonderful work here. I mean, I've been here a number of times, as you guys seen in previous videos, but yeah, they don't play around. They do high quality work. I highly recommend them for all your Ceramic Pro needs, from wheels to body to carbon fiber. They also do PPF, as you guys have seen in my previous videos, for the hood. I mean, they are just awesome. And this is actually their first time seeing the new wheel setup. It's literally been that long. So the gold wheels was the last time. But yeah. So what I'm going to do is just take you guys through the process on this video of what they're doing on each step. So this is the second step. They already washed the car and now they're claying and everything. So, all right, I'll check back to you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, welcome back. Just showing you, they just used the air right here to get all the rest of the contaminants off, the clay off, and they're getting ready to prep it for the actual 9/8 ceramic coating. So, taking it around here. And also, what are we doing right now, sir?
We are gonna remove the civic emblem.
That's it, using the heat gun, right?
Sure.
So you guys, I am actually removing the silver Civic emblem and I'll just say Type R. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. It took me a while to think about this if I wanted to do it because I know that Civic emblem is tradition, it is legendary, I get it. But at the same time, I'm looking for that clean, real Type R look, you know? So, I don't know, maybe in the future I might put the Civic emblem back, but in like a black or a gunmetal or something like that, just to match this. So, we'll see what happens, right? But for now, we're gonna remove that emblem. So there's some air. All right, guys, welcome back. They already applied the pre-coat spray and now they're putting this ceramic 9H, right, topper onto the paint. Did I say that correct, bro?
It's a Ceramic Pro Sport.
Ceramic Pro Sport, okay. So we're just wiping it down here. Andre's getting it done. Shout out to Andre and his father. Let's see if I can get up closer here, guys. Let's see if I can. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. Show you what it looks like with the emblem removed. Bye-bye. Civic emblem's gone. Type R still remains, of course. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. You like it? You hate it? You want me to put it back in gunmetal or something like that? Let me know. Open to suggestions, ideas. But look, man, you guys want the royalty treatment? You gotta come here, okay? So hit me up on my IG, Skylyfe Projects 86. Message me, inbox me, and you know, I'll let you know how good of work they do here. You want to have that conversation. I mean, as you guys can see, the quality is definitely there, and they're not even done. So you still got to get the windows here. But yeah, look at the wheels. Yeah. Andre, did you already coat the wheels or no?
Not yet.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Okay. Yeah, the wheels are not coated, you guys, yet. They're just still finishing the body up here. And I told Andre once I get the new M2, which he is also pretty excited for me getting, I'm going to bring it here right out of the showroom floor. So that is my promise to him. Literally right after purchase, I'm bringing it right here, you guys. So that's down the road. I want to finish this project first on the Type R, but it will be coming up. No cap, it will be coming up. So I will finish this video off with showing you guys what the final product looks like when the wheels are done and everything, so you can get a full view. All right, Skylyfe Projects will be back in a little bit. Much love. All right, here is the final look, you guys, with the Ceramic Pro maintenance being applied. This is that yearly coat. Look at how it shines. I'm telling you. Look at the wheels too. Let's try to get closer. Yeah, look at that. Wow. They do amazing work here. I mean, it is literally shining like a diamond. All of it. Look at that. Wow. See? They take really good care of your vehicle here. So, thank you. Andre, he's in the back over there.
Thank you so much.
Great business, you guys. Amazing customer service. Quality, quality, quality. So that is it. We are about to leave. I just wanted to give you guys a final walk around here. And yeah. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. Greatly appreciate it. Helps out the channel. Shout out to all my new subscribers here. This is another video, Skylyfe Projects, Ceramic Pro North Phoenix. I'm gonna throw their IG handle one more time right here. All right, guys, till another video. Much love and blessings. Let's go, Skylyfe.